Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys my tips to using sprinklers in Grow a Garden. So my tip is do not stack the same sprinklers. What I mean is, here I'll go to the gear shop real quick and show you guys. So show me the gear shop. So there's a basic sprinkler, an advanced sprinkler, a godly sprinkler, which let me just purchase that real quick, a master sprinkler, and a grand master sprinkler. There are 5 types of sprinkler, and what I've read recently is that if you stack the same sprinklers, it doesn't really matter. So do not waste your sprinklers at all in Grow a Garden, and instead, once you planted your seed, you're going to stack them just like one by one. So you're going to stack one basic sprinkler, one godly, one master, one grandmaster, and what's the other one? One advanced sprinkler. And you're just going to stack them like that. Do not stack them like, for instance, like two masters, two grandmasters. You're just going to waste it. If you want to stack more, you can stack basic sprinklers because they're not super rare to get by and they're super cheap anyways in the game. But my advice for you to use sprinklers is to not stack them at all. And well, you can like stack between like different types, but do not stack like the same type of sprinklers. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. That's my guide to sprinklers in Grow a Garden. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.